little bit so that you can stay fit and so that we can all make sure that you will be able to participate in future runs. No, just make 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All the best to each and every one of you, Catholics! Run safe, have fun running! Enjoy! The foot forward! Thank you so much, Lord!
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, she's safe. Don't push. Long 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. President of Meghalaya State Olympic Association, John Kashim, and yeah, we are going to begin. People.
These are the consolation prize. Kajinya Mare. Pernai Kindiat. She gets to take home an amount of 30,000 rupees. And ladies and gentlemen, the winner is Darishisha Yangjuo, who takes home a cash prize worth 50,000 rupees. Ladies and gentlemen, kindly give a big round of applause. They truly deserve it, especially our young women who have Akshay Kumar Yadav. Ban Krishan Lang Kongwet.
Crazy in my life, in these crazy times, I don't
The consolation prize winners win themselves 10,000 rupees. Lillian Ruto is from Kenya. Susan Chebet is, and Daboy Miki Mule. And these consolation prize winners get to take home an amount of 5,000 rupees. Each of the consolation prize winners get to take home an amount of 5,000 rupees. Please give a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. These are the fastest runners of this competition. And second prize goes to Richard Kiprop. And the first prize to Elkanah Rono. Neeraj Kumar Maurya in the third position from India. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Richard Kiprop is from Kenya. And Elkanah Rono is also from Kenya. They've come all the way to our state of Meghalaya to compete in the second Sohra International Half Marathon 2023. Winner, she is Agnes Mutwa from Kenya, third position. Second position, ladies and gentlemen, is Tamsin Singh from India. The third position winner gets
Come